Welcome guys. In this video I'll be showing you guys a new traffic method you can use for CPAGRIP, and the traffic method is Instagram. So I'll be showing you guys how to make $100 per day with CPAGRIP using this new Instagram method. I've tried it out and I'm going to show you how I set up my own account. Okay, so in my previous video I promised to do a giveaway of a CPA course by Brandon Bisha. Okay, so I said I'll pick a lucky commenter in the new video, and this is the video here. So I want to do the live draw now, so stay with me while you guys see the winner. Okay, so I've placed the link to my recent video and I will get comments. Number of comments are 8. Okay, then I'll start. So it's speaking. Okay, nice. So if they are this, if this is your name, Brenid Muller, message me on Instagram. Check the link description of this video. You see my Instagram link here. Message me to grab the course. Okay, so if you want to also win, I'll also do a giveaway. Just comment your country below and comment CPA course, okay, to enter for the giveaway, or comment any other thing. Let's go to go. So come over to Instagram, create a fresh account. Okay, create a fresh account. But before you do that, firstly you need to watch this video, how to create a CPAGRIP HQ template. Okay, HQ templates. Are you seeing this? Watch this video, because in this video I explain how to create a HQ template that converts well. So this HQ template you'll be using in this tutorial. So if you don't know how to create a HQ template or CPAGRIP, go watch this video now. Okay, so with all that done, when you have created the HQ template and you have copied your link, you can firstly come to blogspot.com, create an account with them, then create a free blog regarding the niche you are promoting. Like now I'm doing a gaming niche, like a Clash Royale gems and gold generator. Okay, because in the HQ template there are different kind of template. There's gaming, there's a giveaway, there's different niche. So in this tutorial I'm going with gaming niche. Okay, so this is name of my website, gamelife247.blogspot.com. Okay, just have to create a post like this. Okay, let me show you the full post. I can create a post like this, just simple. Okay, hello, read it through, then place image of the game, then try to find it out to get it for free. Then I put here, I've embedded my link I copied from CPAGRIP there. So if you see now, if I tap on it, click here to access the free Clash Royale gems and gold generator. If I tap on it to take me to my HQ template I created. Okay, this is a content locker. It's like a content locker, a HQ template. Okay, so it looks nice and real. Okay, so once you have done that, you have created it. Sorry, I have to leave. When you have done that, you have to come to Instagram. Okay, when you come to Instagram, okay, with all that done, create an Instagram account. The username must be related to the name of the niche you're promoting. Like mine was Clash Royale. You can see Clash Royale James Man. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, this you can see need Clash Royale Gems. Get free Clash Royale Gems and gold. You gain access to our free generator. Then on Instagram, when you create a professional account, you can input a website link, and then added the website link of the blog sports account website I created. You can see game live 24/7 blogspot.com. So when they tap it to go over to that website. So once you have set up your account, what you can do is you can go to Google and search for some related image about the game or the niche you're promoting, the stuff you're promoting. Okay, so I actually see, you can see this. Let me show you. It's loading. I'll create post picture, then I'll like in the text section, I'll tell them that there is I can get them free gems and gold. As you check the link in my bio, as you can see, looking for free Clash Royale gems and gold. Check the link in my bio. Then I use hashtag. No hashtag make your post go viral. Hashtag gaming Clash Royale. Those the different hashtag. Okay. And also I do repeat this. I repeat this. Then also need an image like tell them free gems and gold. See, and I also usually tag. Okay, you see, click on the link in my bio to get free Clash Royale gems and gold. And I got some comments on it. So what you have to do, you have to start building your accounts little by little so you can get more followers. And the more followers you get, people start clicking on your link, and the more people click on your link, the more leads and money you get. So for you to promote your account, like to get your accounts more viral, you can search like, okay, I'm promoting Clash Royale offer, so I'll search Clash Royale. I'll see like some tops account, like top account on this niche. Okay, this is a good account on the niche, is more verified. So I tapped on it. It's loading. That's loaded. Okay, you can see it has 3.8 million followers, 23 following, 1000 plus posts. So what I can do here now is I'll go to their recent posts. I'll tap on it to check the dates they posted it. It's loading. I can't actually see the date it was posted, but okay, it's 4 days ago. So not bad, it's good. So what I'll do here is, sorry, I'll go to the comments or likes. Which one? Let me see. You can go to the comments and follow some of the commenters, but I prefer you go for the likes. Okay, let me see whether I can get the number of likes here, because I'm unable to see likes. I'm only seeing comments. Okay, these are likes session 6 days ago. So you tap on these likes. So when you tap on the likes, you see list of people that liked it. So you have to start following these people. You follow them, but be careful. You know your account is a new account. You can follow like 10 accounts every hour. So when you follow 10 accounts, after following the 10 accounts, what you can do there is, okay, when you have followed all of them, I think there's a way you can like you try messaging all of them, like can do a bulk message, like from your post you can share your post to them. It's very simple to people you are following. If I think yes, people you are following, you can send a message to them, and most of them, when they receive the notification that Clash Royale James started following you, to see wow, this is the name of the game I usually play. They want to check my account. So once they check my account, they will see my website link there. You'll see my website link. They will actually see my website link. They will see this. This will grab their attention. They see need a Clash Royale James. They'll tap on it. So when they tap on it, they'll go over to my website, and through there they'll go over to my content locker, and they'll have to fill an offer to get it. So that will be all for this video. If you like it, if you thank you very much.